Hello students, today we see the topic subsequence. Okay, so what are the subsequences or what is the subsequence of the sequence? See here definition. If we have the sequence xn be the sequence of a real numbers and xnk be the strictly increasing sequence of a natural numbers. Natural number ची increasing sequences, strictly increasing means that means 2 less than 3 less than 4 less than 5 less than 1 he increasing sequence, right? X and k. Then the sequence x dash is equal to x and k given by xn1 xn2 up to dot 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 is called as a subsequence of a sequence x is equal to xn. Okay, that means if we take some sequence xn which is x1 x2 x3 up to dot dot dot, then subsequence if we remove some terms or we delete some terms from this sequence xn like that x3, then we get x2 x4 x6 up to dot dot dot. This sequence we called it as a subsequence of the sequence xn. ओके, बट ह्या ज्या टर्म आहेत ह्या कशा आले पाहिजे, सिक्वेन्शियली आले पाहिजे. मग तुम्ही x4 आधी घेणार मग x2 नंतर घेणार तर ती सबस्पेस होणार नाही. दॅट इज दिस सबसिक्वेन्स ऑफ ए सिक्वेन्स इज ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम xn बाय डिलीटिंग सम टर्म्स ऑफ xn. फॉर एक्झाम्पल सी हियर we take x is equal to xn be the sequence 1 minus 1 by 2 2 minus 1 by 4 3 minus 1 by 6 4 minus 1 by 8 up to dot dot dot. Then if we delete this term this term this term like that, then we get 1 2 3 4 next 5 next 6. This sequence x dash we called it as a subsequence of the sequence xn. Also if we take only circle terms, ज्या टर्म्सला सर्कल केलेलं आहे त्या टर्मची सिक्वेन्स घेतली म्हणजे -1 by 2 -1 by 4 -1 by 6 -1 by 8 up to -1 by 10 up to dot dot dot, then this sequence is also a subsequence of this sequence. Again x triple dash which is we take 1 -1 by 2 3 -1 by 6 5 and -1 by 10, it is also a सबसिक्वेन्स ऑफ द सिक्वेन्स xn. पुढच्या टर्म घेतला नाही, फक्त इतक्याच टर्म घेतला विच इज ऑल्सो ए सिक्वेन्स ऑफ दिस सबसिक्वेन्स ऑफ दिस सिक्वेन्स xn. ओके, अनदर एक्झाम्पल सी हियर एक्झाम्पल 2. इफ वी टेक x इज इक्वल टू xn is equal to 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 up to dot dot dot, then we take only 1 x dash is equal to 1 1 1 1 up to dot dot, x dash is equal to the -1 -1 -1 up to dot dot. These two are the subsequences of the sequence xn. Okay, now see here theorem of convergence of a subsequence. If the sequence x is equal to xn converges to x, then any subsequence x dash is equal to xnk of x also converges to x. जर सिक्वेन्स xn x ला कॉन्वर्ज होत असेल तर त्या xn then xnk is also converges to the x. Okay, so see here proof. Suppose xn converges to x for a given epsilon greater than 0. Here we have a given the sequence xn converges to x, then नंतरचा पार्ट आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचा असतो. सो then we have to prove the subsequence xnk is also converges to x. Now given xn converges to x by the definition of a convergence of a sequence for a given epsilon greater than 0 there exists n naught belongs to the n such that mod of xk minus x is less than epsilon for all k greater than or is equal to n naught. इथे के वरती आपण काय घेतोय, इंडक्शन घेतोय, म्हणून मी ते xn ऐवजी काय घेतलं xk minus x is less than epsilon for all k greater than or is equal to n naught. Here note that xk is greater than k, xk is greater than k. Therefore by the definition of equation by the equation first we get xnk minus x is less than epsilon for all nk which is greater than or is equal to k which is greater than or is equal to n naught. Right, xk is greater than k. By this we take here from equation first xk minus x is less than epsilon, so xnk minus x is less than epsilon for all nk is greater than or is equal to k greater than or is equal to n naught. राईट, जेवढे पण एन के आता एन के असणाऱ्या ज्या टर्म आहे एक्स एन के ज्या के पेक्षा ग्रेटर आहेत तर त्यांच्यासाठी ही कंडिशन काय होते, होल्ड होते. एक्स एन के मायनस एक्स इज लेस दॅन ॲप्सिलॉन फॉर ऑल एन के इज ग्रेटर दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू के विच इज ग्रेटर दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू एन नॉट. सो therefore we get xnk minus mod of xnk minus x is less than epsilon for all nk is greater than or is equal to n naught. Okay, that means for epsilon greater than 0 there exists a n naught such that mod of xnk minus x is less than epsilon for all nk is greater than or is equal to the n naught. Therefore by the definition of a convergence of a sequence xnk converges to the x. That means if the sequence xn converges to x, then the subsequence xnk is also converges to the x. Now we see the divergence criteria for the subsequence. So see here divergence criteria. If a sequence x is equal to xn of a real numbers has either of the following properties, then x is divergent. बघा sequence xn कधी divergent असणार आहे. पहिली तर डायव्हर्जन्स क्रायटेरिया फॉर द सिक्वेन्स आहे, सबसिक्वेन्स नाही बॉट सिक्वेन्स. काय आहे की सिक्वेन्स एक्सटेंड कधी डायव्हर्जंट असणार आहे, एकतर ही किंवा ही कंडिशन फेल जात असेल. पहिली कंडिशन काय, एक्स हॅज अ टू कॉन्व्हर्जंट सबसिक्वेन्स एक्स डॅश इज इक्वल टू एक्स एन के एक्स डॅश इज इक्वल टू एक्स एन के हुज लिमिट आर नॉट इक्वल. जर त्याला दोन कॉन्व्हर्जंट सबसिक्वेन्स असतील, दोन सबसिक्वेन्स आहे त्या दोघंही काय आहेत कॉन्व्हर्जंट आहेत बट त्यांचं लिमिट सेम नाही, म्हणजे त्या एकाच पॉईंटला कॉन्व्हर्ज होत नाही, तेव्हा एक्स एन सिक्वेन्स काय असते डायव्हर्जंट सिक्वेन्स असते. किंवा एक्स काय असेल अनबाउंडेड असेल की एक्स एन सिक्वेन्स जर अनबाउंडेड असेल तर तेव्हा ती काय असते डायव्हर्जंट सिक्वेन्स असते. ओके, पहिली जर दोन सबसिक्वेन्स असतील दोघंही कॉन्व्हर्जंट असतील आणि दोघांचंही लिमिट डिफरंट असेल देन वी कॉल इट ॲज द सिक्वेन्स एक्स एन इज अ डायव्हर्जंट. अगेन if x is unbounded then also xn is a divergent sequence. See here next theorem, monotone subsequence of a theorem. If x is equal to xn is a sequence of real numbers, then there is a subsequence of x that is monotone. This is the monotone subsequence theorem. If we have a subsequence xn which is the sequence of a real numbers, then there is a subsequence of x that is monotone. Okay, so now here we stop. In next video we see some example. Okay, thank you.